Unlock the secret to creating viral Reddit story videos for free with CapCut Online Video Editor Plus. Learn how to turn views into cash. I'll guide you step by step through creating viral scripts, free voiceovers, and ensuring your videos go viral. Let's get started. First, let's cover the basics of Reddit videos. First, I need to tell you that Reddit videos are basically creepy or horror stories shared by users on the Reddit app, and they get spread around on social media. Before going forward, tell in comments from where many of the popular Reddit creepypasta or horror stories actually sourced from: Twitter, ChatGPT, or websites. You often see gameplay in the background like Minecraft, Subway Surfers, and GTA V, with Minecraft being the most common. People share these Reddit videos on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. I've researched various Reddit niches and found that creepypasta stories get a lot of views. So I'll show you how to create similar Reddit videos for free using the CapCut Online Video Editor. All right, Reddit videos have 6 main parts: a comment frame, a story from a Reddit community, gameplay footage, a voiceover, captions, and some cool music in the background. First off, we're going to start by making the search for the Reddit comment PNG Figma from Google. You can edit it in Figma and add your channel name. Make sure to remove the title and give space because we will add title during video editing. Don't forget to double click on the background to remove it. Now, once you have that export and downloaded it, let's jump right into how you can customize and video it to fit your content and make your content pop. Follow along with me step by step, and in the end of the video, you will see the example I created. So let's start by debunking a myth about Reddit stories. You might assume that all those popular Reddit stories come directly from Reddit itself, right? Well, think again. After some in-depth research, I discovered that many of those so-called Reddit creepypasta stories are actually sourced from a website named creepypasta.com, not directly from Reddit. This site is loaded with creepy stories and mysterious occurrences, and some of these stories can have durations of over 15 minutes. What we're going to do is search through the recent top-rated stories on this site. Once you've found a top-rated story, we're going to spice it up for our video. How? Copy the story and transform the story into a first-person perspective using ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT, tell this story in a first-person narrator. Also leave out unnecessary parts. Focus only on the story. We write this prompt to make story more interesting and enjoyable for viewers. After refining the script, search for no gameplay backgrounds. You can do this by searching on YouTube for no copyright background game footage Minecraft. Copy the link of any video you like for background and open website called YT5S. Paste the link here and download the video in 1080p. Next, move on to the CapCut Online Video Editor. Add the Minecraft gameplay footage in the blank template. Adjust the background video according to the real size 9:16. Make sure to add Reddit post you designed earlier in Figma. Then create a text box where you'll place the title of the story. Head over to a website which is called creepypasta.com. So copy title from this story and use it for the Reddit post frame. I keep the text in the default font and adjust size of the text. Don't forget to change the color of the text to black. Adjust the timeline of the Reddit post and text to keep Reddit post just for 6 to 7 seconds. To make a voiceover, start by creating a text box, then copy a short part of the creepy story from ChatGPT. This step is needed because the text-to-speech tool can only work with a set amount of text at one time. Paste in the text, and after you've done that for the first section of the story, use the text-to-speech option on the left of the screen to make a voiceover. I have tested all the voices for you and found that the male scientist voice suits Reddit stories best. Apply this voice to every part of your text. The next step is to cut the background footage where the voiceover ends. Now let's move on to exporting your video. Ensure all your settings are correct. I set the resolution to 1080p, the quality settings to high quality, and the frame rate to 60 FPS. Rename the video as you wish and then hit export. Next, we'll add captions. So I recommend using the CapCut app for this step. Once you've opened the CapCut app, import your exported video and add it to your timeline. After that, click on text, followed by auto captions, click start, and the captions will be generated automatically. Next, after selecting the captions, go to the templates option in text, and you'll notice that there are several templates available, including free ones, which allow you to create captions in various styles. I personally prefer this particular style. which displays the captions word by word on the screen. Your next task with the captions is to position them at the center of your screen. I prefer to enlarge and adjust the text slightly for better visibility. Your video now has captions. Next, let's talk about the music. Most Reddit stories use a specific type of music called Dreamcore, but I recommend you use any suspense or documentary music that is copyright free. I recommend you to open Pixabay website and download suspense background music from here, import, and then put the music on the CapCut timeline. For the right background music volume, make sure the music is between -15 and -20 decibels. This level is just right for background music. I've looked at a lot of Reddit videos, and many look very similar, so we're going to make our stand out by adding images. Since you've already added the captions, it's now easier to match images to the text. For example, go to Google and search for the word knowledge. Use a picture of related to this word. Do this for each line or specific word, and you're done with this step. Download all the images you find relevant and then import in CapCut. Adjust images as you want. Now export the video and choose resolution to 1080p, the quality settings to high quality, and the frame rate to 60 fps. It's ready to upload. Here's a quick look at the video I made.
Most of you won't believe my story. Hell, I wouldn't either if I hadn't lived through the horror. To the best of my knowledge, only 2 people have ever survived this hell and made it back to Earth in one piece. Sadly, the other is no longer living. Government suits warned me about the serious consequences of going public with my chilling story. But I've decided to do so anyway because people need to know what's really out there. An intergalactic war is coming to our doorstep, and the truth will become apparent soon enough. I'm nobody special or important. In fact, I was at the lowest rung of society when they took me.
A quick tip before ending tutorial is, you can also add "follow me for part 2" at the end of the Reddit story video. This is a great way to quickly gain followers because people are curious about part 2. With the long stories on creepypasta.com, it's easy to do this. You can split these stories into 3 or 4 parts easily, giving you content for 3 days. While uploading video on social media, don't forget to title your video as part 1, and in the description, tell viewers to follow you for part 2. Don't forget to add 3 related hashtags. This approach not only keeps your content interesting, but also builds excitement for your next video. With so many stories available on creepypasta.com, you'll never be short of material. So go ahead, start creating, and good luck with your videos. People are making a lot with TikTok's new creativity program. I'm planning to create more tutorials for you all. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more money-making tutorials like this.